Are you tired of feeling drained, overwhelmed, and constantly battling the effects of stress? Imagine a life where you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day without the jitters or crashes. Sounds amazing, right? Introducing Nagano Tonic, the all-natural solution to restore your inner balance, combat stress, and banish fatigue. Life can get overwhelming, but your well-being doesn't have to take a back seat. Nagano Tonic is a carefully crafted herbal blend inspired by ancient Japanese traditions. It's designed to help you feel calm, energized, and in control, naturally.
In this video, we'll explore how Nagano Tonic works, its 8 powerful benefits, and why this product is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their health and vitality. Here are 8 powerful benefits. 1. Relieves stress. 2. Boosts energy levels. 3. Supports better sleep. 4. Improves focus and mental clarity. 5. Strengthens immunity. 6. Promotes gut health. 7. Reduces inflammation. 8. Enhances mood.
Now you might be wondering, why should I choose Nagano Tonic over other options? Here's why. Natural ingredients. Unlike synthetic supplements, Nagano Tonic is made with 100% natural, high-quality ingredients you can trust. Holistic benefits. It doesn't just address one issue, it tackles stress, energy, immunity, and more for comprehensive wellness. Backed by tradition, inspired by time-tested Japanese remedies, it combines ancient wisdom with modern science. Convenience. Easy to use, Nagano Tonic fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, whether it's a quick drink in the morning or a soothing cup before bed.
So why wait? Take control of your health and well-being today. Experience the life-changing benefits of Nagano Tonic and unlock your full potential. Click the link below in the description to learn more and grab your first bottle. Your journey to stress-free, balanced living starts now.